Again, I'm sorry.
That's what people are here for.
It doesn't sound too convincing so far. Someone else get into my account besides me.
There is no other way. Riyadh, this is my account, the real one. You set it for 2 minutes. Higher, higher. Come on, come on. Ria, please, for one day at least, can you listen to me and not click all over the place, okay?
Okay, what just happened?
You chose a position for 2 minutes. It worked out well. And we didn't lose anything. In fact, we are up $1.
What, really? See, I told you, I already know how to do everything. I can do this every minute. Let me do some more.
Nah. Now, just in case, I'm going to log out. We'll try it out on your demo account.
Okay, I just really want to get started already. In case someone else is buy the purse before I do. I wouldn't survive without that. I can already see myself going to the Lakshmi's birthday party and all the girls will be so jealous.
Okay, sit down, calm down. Here is a demo account. It's no different from a real one, except they give you $10,000 deposit right away.
Wow, let's cash it all at once. And that's it. It will be all I need.
It doesn't work that way. The money is credited to you automatically for practicing. It can't be withdrawn or transferred because it doesn't exist. It's a deposit that traders practice on. Even if you make several millions on this account, it's still practice money.
I see now.
It's basically a tool that allows you to learn the platform and to practice your trading skills on different assets. Here, you can test new mechanics on live chart, apply different strategies and make bold decisions without any risk.
Why does it say free? Why did you have VIP?
Each account has its own status: Gold, VIP, Standard and Free. Free is the entry level. It's available to everyone upon the registration. It's only for demo accounts. To get other statuses, you need to fund your account with real money.
So I can just throw in $10 and that's it. Start having fun already.
In theory, yes. I've already deposited enough funds, and that is why I got VIP status. Plus, I did the two-factor authentication on my phone, which increases the security on the platform. The amount is already quite large.
Yeah, you could have helped your little sister.
I'll help by teaching you. The higher your status, the more benefits, additional bonuses, and available assets you'll have. Well, we'll talk about it when your account is up to date. By the way, you and our viewers can double your deposits. Just follow the link below this video, enter the promo code, make a deposit, and thanks to the promo code, it will be double.
So your experience is tracked and rewarded?
Yes, I've already been assigned a personal manager who advises me if I have questions. Plus, I also have cashback in case of bad trades.
How's that?
It's called loss compensation. Weekly, I get 10% of my losses returned to me in form of cashback. Also, for the VIP status traders, there's a special app, Binomo X for Android.
So that's the one you're constantly looking at during dinner?
Yes. It has a lot of tools I need, and all I need to trade is my phone. There the interface is super intuitive, the one that even those like you, without much experience, can easily figure out. Now, let's give it a go. Experienced users can make trades both in small time frames, 1 to 5 minutes, and in the large ones, for example 1 hour. But with the 1 hour time frame, it's important to realize that the potential profit can be obtained only after 1 hour, and that is more like investing.
And what if I'm in a hurry to visit my friend?
That's why you and I are going to start with a time frame of 1 to 2 minutes. This is the most optimal option. Here, you won't need any deep analysis or complicated strategies, and you won't have to wait long. We'll be able to make more trades in shorter period of time. I selected the euro to dollar currency pair for us. This is the chart right here. There are two buttons on the right, green and red. We select the time frame of 1 minute. We watch the price of the asset. Now we should decide whether in 1 minute the price will be higher or lower. And we just click on one of the buttons depending on the selection.
That's it? Just like that?
Yeah, I told you there is nothing complicated here. Let's bet $20 that our pair in 1 minute will be lower than it's now. That's it. Now we just have to wait for a minute.
Just wait?
Yeah, just wait.
So, is there much left?
It's been 10 seconds.
And now?
15.
Oh, the time is just crawling. My leg is starting to shake already.
That's the point. You have to be able to wait. That's the key to good trading. Let's just keep an eye on the chart and wait for the trend to close. The trade is closed and we lost $20. But there is no need to be upset. Remember what I said, a bad result is also a result. Especially considering we are on a demo account, we have nothing to worry about.
Let's try it again. Only let's do 15 instead of 20.
You're worried. And you said it was just fake money.
Well, it's still exciting. I'm just trying to be sensible right now.
Okay, let's choose. Will our price continue to go up during a minute or will it go down?
Well, if you look at the trend, it has been moving up periodically over the last 10 minutes with minimal declines. There have been occasional small drawdowns, but the price has not fallen below the initial level that was recorded at the beginning of the day. Besides, today I haven't seen any news that could affect the global situation. So, I think that it will either stay at the same level or continue to rise. Let's lock it up.
Wow, looks like you're learning really fast. Okay, let's try to get in on the $15 trade on the upside.
Just wait, I need to gather my wits.
I've already started. Sorry. Alright. Let's see what happens.
Oh shoot, Amrit, how come? Come on. Go up. Go up.
Ria, we need to calm down. The deed is done. Now we are just waiting.
Oh sure, easy for you to say. It's not your money.
I love that you like it so much.
Oh.
Well, look, we made the right decision and our balance went up.
How nerve-wracking it was, but I really enjoyed it. I want to do it again.
Well, let's keep practicing.